Hello everyone, welcome to Yellowgreys YouTube channel. And in this video, we are going to cover the solution design document of Performer BART. Already we have seen this entire process flow. You can refer it to the entire live process walkthrough in the ReFrameWork series second video. And this is the process map. And so then after that, we have seen the dispatcher bot solution design document. This is the dispatcher bot solution design document. So in the previous video, I have explained everything in detail what is solution design document and how we are going to design the dispatcher bot. And so in this video, and this is about the solution design document of performer bot. And this performer bot, it's moreover it's processing the transaction item from the queue. And this is starting with the login ACME, and it's going to pick the transaction from the UiPath queue, and then it's checking the condition whether the transaction item is available or not. Then if it is available, it's going to click on that related to magnify icon. Then it's fetching the information: client ID, client name, client country. Then after that, it's opening the SHA1 website. Then it's entering client ID, client name, client country, details into the text box. Then after that, pressing that hash button, and you will get this SHA1 result. You need to copy that, and then we need to go back to the ACME work item details page. There we need to click on update work item. Then we need to paste that result, the SHA1 result there, and then we need to change the status as completed. Then we need to click on update work item button, and then there will be a pop-up window appears. We need to click on that pop-up window. We need to close that. So we need to process until the queue item is empty. So this is the UiPath queue. This transaction item will be pushed by the dispatcher bot that we discussed in the previous video. And yes, now almost done everything. So we have seen ReFrameWork concept in detail, and that was the first video. And the second video was the entire process live walkthrough, and the third video is about the UiPath queue, and the fourth video was about solution design document of dispatcher bot, and this is the fifth video, and solution design document for performer bot. Please refer these all the videos, and which is available both the language Tamil and English, and get ready for development in the next video. Thank you for watching. Connect with us for more tutorials.